Hello, my darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. Are we living and are we loving? This is a dress from H&M in collaboration with Rock. I think I bought it about 4 or 5 months ago. I forget exactly, but I do live for it. I do live for the slit because it's got like a sheer panel. And then this, my darling, this belt is by Alba Macio, I think. Let me just double check. This belt is Aria Margot. Are we living and loving? Are we living and loving? Darlings, we have a meet and greet where? In Brooklyn, New York City, baby. On the 4th of August, and it's going to be fire. It's kind of sort of a countdown. The link below, we've got general tickets, we've got VIP tickets, we've got the golden ticket, which means you have breakfast with Fumi. Then we have the diamond ticket, lunch with Fumi, and then we have the platinum ticket, dinner with Fumi. It's going to be fabulous. So the highlight of my summer, because I get to meet you guys, you get Goody Bags. When I tell you the brands, we're gonna eat, we're gonna drink, we're gonna kiki, we're gonna have Q&A, and we have a couple of surprises as well. Darlings, once I hit capacity, that's it. Once I hit capacity, that is it, my darlings. If you want to have a one-on-one session with me, do not forget, make your appointment. And then if you want to send me anything to promote your brand, go right ahead. So why are we here? Well, a lot of you know why we are here. We are here because Davido got married to a beautiful and fabulous Chioma, and the fashion was fire. The fashion was fire. The wedding was the wedding of weddings. It was the wedding of the year. It was the wedding of the summer. Am I happy for them? A lot of you were sending me questions. A lot of you were sending me clips from the wedding. A lot of you wanted my opinion. And I said, well, you know what? Why not? I never ever was not going to cover it. Just Mama is busy with the most fabulous event in Brooklyn, New York City on the 4th of August, of which I will see you there. Congratulations to Chioma and to Davido. As we very well know, they lost a child. And that can bond you or that can break you. I think the following year, Chioma was blessed with twins. There's something in my eye. Oh. Chioma was blessed with twins. And now they've gotten married. Yes, Chioma was blessed with twins. We can never really know what goes on behind the scenes. But I do know that traumatic experiences, like I said, fuses you together or pulls you apart. I think that they have twins, they've got children. I think this marriage, this wedding, this fabulous wedding was very much for Chioma and for Chioma's people. I think it was a situation where Davido had to do right by Chioma. But then again, that really comes down to how you understand marriage and what you understand marriage vows to be. Does it take away the fact that Davido will continue to be Davido? I don't think so. He has children outside of the marriage, and I don't think that he will stop enjoying the company of other women. It will depend on the threshold of Chioma's patience. Will she turn a blind eye and focus on her twins? I don't know. I don't know what she's capable of doing or not doing. Maybe she's okay with that. Maybe she's happy with that. Maybe she has decided this is my lot in life and I am happy to love a man who will love me and love others, or who will love me and lie about being with others. It's not really our business. It's not for us to say, I wish them well. I hope that Chioma can hang in there for the long haul. And maybe she will. Again, not necessarily for him, but for the children. You see, every woman has their breaking point. And Chioma has not had her breaking point, or might be one of those women who goes through life as is. It takes a certain kind of strength. That's another thing. Do not think that Chioma is weak. Chioma is very, very strong. She's a very strong individual. To endure what she has endured with Davido, it takes a lot. On top of which, there was a very soft spot where Davido wept. And he was looking at Chioma. And I think that they were reminiscing at someone they loved so very much. And that was their son. I cannot speak on that because that is a whole other strength. And I pray for Davido that he will find comfort, that in his life he got the most beautiful, beautiful gift, and that they can hold that memory and trudge forward. Everybody thinks that money can solve everything, that money, is the answer to everything. And here is this spectacular wedding. Spectacular. No money was spared at all. And yet, there are tears in the laughter and in the dance. And because of that, I give them grace. Because that's a terrible thing, A child should never go before a parent. So I have to wish them well. I need to wish them well. I want them to have a happy ending. I want them to be able to survive and to live. And as one gets older, I find that you really do mature and you are humbled and you become grateful. And maybe Davido will look to Chioma and be grateful and have a lot of gratitude for the blessings that has bestowed upon him. He's a huge talent. I play his songs all the time. And we are not perfect. We are not. Nobody's perfect and nobody is free from any wrong. So I'm happy for them. I'm happy for them. I'm happy for Chioma. I'm happy that they have their twins. I'm happy that they're moving on with their lives. And it was good to celebrate. Sometimes after a lot of sorrow, you just need to flood the place with light, with positivity, with prayer, and you move forward on that strength. There were some wedding dresses that were fabulous, beautiful. So I'm going to play them for you guys to watch and enjoy. Davido, Chioma, God bless una. Make una stay together, make una love each other, make una try. Make una try, make the effort. Marriage is progress, and you try your best every which way that you can. Never give up on each other. Some days Chioma will be stronger, some days Davido will be stronger. But I think it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing to have somebody walk with you through this thing called life. God bless you. God bless you in every way. God bless your families. And may you only hear laughter going forward. All the best. Darlings, I will see you in Brooklyn. Sooner than what? Than later, because it's countdown from here. All of my love. Bye. Oh, God.